Hey guys, welcome back to your tutorial, and if you're new here, special welcome to you. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite collaborators on Wix. So if you want to get help with your website or whatever it is, you can easily invite people. So you want to go ahead and look to the upper right hand side and you'll find design site, and right beside that, there's three dots. Click on that, and from here, you want to click on invite collaborators. This is going to take you to over where you can invite collaborators, and you can invite up to 10 people at the same time. Now from here, you can go ahead and you can invite up to 10 people. As you can see right here, you have up to 10 emails that you can add. And so you can go ahead and enter their email address. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter an email address right here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Andrew at gmail.com. Let's say that's it. Now, the next thing you want to do is choose a role, and you can choose whichever role you want. So let's say I want this person to be a website manager. I can check that box. You scroll down here, you have more, let's say, CMS roles. You have two of them, the admin and the editor option. And of course, you have some additional things such as billing and all these different things, right? These are here, and you can always, give additional permissions if you so desire, or remove them. Once you do, you can click and send invite. You also have an option if you want to create a custom role. You can go ahead and create that as well. So you can click and create a custom role right here. All that you have to do is click and create custom role, and that's going to ask you to give the role name. So we're going to just say test, for example, and you can fill in the permissions, and then you click and save, right? And so this is how you'll be able to create a custom role, right? But all you have to do is enter the email address, choose a role, and then you can hit send invite button if you don't want to make any additional changes. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.